ये
अरे तू कर इंट्रो इस बार।
मैं तो घंटा ही नहीं करूंगा, मुझे पता ही नहीं मैं बोलूँ क्या।
नहीं तू कर
नहीं मैं इंट्रो, अच्छा चल गिव मी एन इंट्रो।
I'll give you an intro.
अरे तो
Okay.
कुछ लाइन तो बता। Hello and
I
welcome
mean,
back to another version of Brownie Version podcast with your favorite eagle Sabya Gaya Niket.
I'll do the Millie Rock this time. I'll do the Millie Rock this time.
तो what should I say? Your favorite eagle परिचय and ऐसा कि सभ्य यार bro सभ्य गया
नहीं but favorite eagle तो मैं हूँ ना. This is a shit. So let me start.
दर्द दे दिया यार तूने.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Brownie Version podcast hosted by your favorite eagle Sabhega Aniket, and as always I'm joined by my co-host Parichay say hello.
क्या जी सत श्री अकाल.
And today we are joined by a very special guest. I don't usually use very special. I usually use special guest, but today we are joined by Shrey. Shrey, do you go by Shrey in your beatboxing like field also?
No, I just go by Vortex.
Vortex.
Okay, so what dude? So what do you prefer, Shrey or Vortex?
Just Shrey.
Okay, so we have Shrey with us. Shrey, say hello.
Hello everyone, I'm Shrey, and I'm honored to be here on this podcast with a very special guest.
I mean, the word on the street is kuch nahi. So Shrey, I don't know how to introduce you. So currently you are pursuing beatboxing, right? Or
not at all. This is something I do on the side a little bit.
Wait, shut the fuck up, okay? Shut the fuck up.
Okay, so this is something I do as like just time pass. Honestly, it's just a passion project. It's not as serious as people might think it is.
Okay, but so what's your current profile like? No, because it's pretty confusing to me. Because
so should I describe myself?
Yes. That would be pretty. Sure. That would be good.
So I'm Shrey. I'm currently just about to turn 18 in a couple of months, and I live in Mumbai, and I go to Podar International School, which is an IB school, which is not international board.
It's international bachelorate.
It is international bachelorate. You
baccalaureate, not bachelorate.
What?
Oh,
baccalaureate.
Baccalaureate.
Oh, fuck.
Apparently, I'm a broke-ass motherfucker too.
Okay, nice.
Okay, and currently just finished a major chunk of my 12th grade, and will be applying internationally this year, and hopefully should be getting into my dream universities. Let's see.
What is your dream university, huh? Like
my dream university is the University of British Columbia. It's in Canada, and it ranks in the top 10 in the world for computer science, which I'm wanting to pursue.
Okay, so I think it is in Toronto, just like you said, right? Is it in Toronto?
It is in British Columbia, like the name suggests.
Oh, okay. No, because when I was in 12th, right, तो मैंने भी for machine learning and AI I searched up like what are the top universities for AI,
right?
And I think Canada में एक university came up.
University of Toronto, you may be talking about. That is in Toronto, as the name suggests.
Yes, I am pretty. मेरा तो JEE भी नहीं clear हो रहा.
This is bro moments straight.
टोरंटो तो कहीं जाएंगे, हमारा तो JEE भी clear नहीं हो रहा. But no. So you are pursuing computer science. That is actually like मेरे को भी computer. I am also pursuing computer science, just not in Canada, here in India only. बाकी परिचय तो
I am like an English literature student, so I'm just not gonna say much stuff here. You guys talk about computer stuff. This is gonna be like
no.
Of course.
So okay, you are okay. So talking about computer science, like staying on the computers and technology. Did you see the iPhone 12, man? It has been a buzz.
I did as well.
It has been. I did. I didn't.
So what are your thoughts?
Check out Apple's launch thing. I used to be into that maybe a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
I frankly don't care anymore about Apple.
Bruh. Same.
I don't know why. It's just not exciting anymore. It was last exciting for me when they launched the 10. It's just done for me. I love Apple. I love what the company has done. I don't like the direction it's headed in though.
Okay, and also तुम दोनों में से किसको इस बारे में ज़्यादा insight है? या फिर we can have a conversation about it, obviously. About the no charger thing and shit.
Oh, yes.
They're not putting in the charger and they're saying that they're saving like indirectly
it is because of carbon emission.
Yeah, carbon emission, yeah. So
Okay,
what's
I
that about?
see where it's going. Maybe 5 years from no, 5 years is too big of a time. I see it going maybe 2 years from now. So what they're doing, I'm guessing, is pushing wireless charging. Right now, it's too expensive to consider. In the US, maybe because a lot of fast food restaurants like McDonald's and stuff, you walk over to the restaurant and the tables, wherever you put their phone down, they have wireless pads inbuilt into them. So they
Yeah.
automatically start charging your phone. So that's what a lot of fast food restaurants, but it's not integrated on a large scale yet. I think it's a little too early, but again, Apple always does the stuff a little early and then everyone catches up to them. I see it happening, but at the same time, I see that I don't see wired charging going away so quickly because it's a speed that you can't compete with wirelessly as of now.
Yeah.
But my question is, if they are not giving you the charger in the box, are they really stopping the manufacturing of the chargers? Because people are getting the cable with them, mind you. They're just
Bro,
not getting the
यही
brick.
तो यही तो बात है ना.
Okay.
When they stopped, they removed the headphone jack, right? They still provided that whatever type of that thing is to
Lightning.
3.5, right?
Yeah.
They
See,
still
why they
provided
did that was to again promote the whole no wires thing. Apple has been on the no wires thing since quite some time. So I think a year ago or like a year and a half ago, don't quote me on that, they launched a pad. This pad was supposed to be a bigger version of a wireless pad that could,
Yes.
if you have the entire Apple ecosystem, it would charge your phone, your Apple Watch, your Apple Pencil, whatever.
iPads and stuff. Okay.
And I don't think that got integrated very well. But their first step to starting that off was first we will remove the headphone jack. Everyone was against it at first. No new phone has it now.
True.
Apple's always the first on that step, and
Yes.
because their consumer base is so big, eventually other consumers,
I think-
other producers just have to shift to it.
No. I think Apple usually counts on its core fan base. कि यार ये लोग,
Exactly.
like they will adapt to us.
The thing
Right.
is, their core fan base has now just extended into something that can't be produced anywhere else. See, I was against Apple my entire life. Then I actually gave Apple a try, tried to give like complete unbiased thing.
Yes.
Android can replicate it. Android has its perks, but nahi, it's very different. Nothing has been able to copy that now, and that's why Apple will remain in monopoly. If
And-
not in India, because our income section is completely different. In countries internationally, Apple will remain at top because just ease of use. It's as simple as that.
Yes, it's ease of use, and that like the first argument that they give जब वो Apple के बारे में बात करते हैं, it's usually the ecosystem, right? कि bro, I want to stay in the ecosystem. Now, for anybody that does not know what the Apple ecosystem is, it's basically a set of integrated Apple apps that are just too convenient to use for Apple users, like Apple messaging. हो
Bro,
गया
to be
and
honest,
Apple
talking about Apple softwares, PC में they're very fucking convenient if you like talk about music softwares, talk about work softwares.
Yeah, and there's a lot of exclusive stuff, whether it be
Yeah.
like editing softwares or whether it be okay, so when I'm talking about the Apple ecosystem, I'm not only talking about stuff like instant messaging and FaceTime, which are two of the primary softwares that are like common for Apple. I'm even talking about hardware integration that is so seamless between Apple. No one has been able to replicate it so far. As in, it will come to the point that, phones say, suppose if I want to see something, it's just one swipe up and it just instantly goes on my laptop, which is right next to me. Suppose
Right.
web page, okay? A lot of web pages even today, it's stupid, but a lot of web pages even today aren't supported properly on mobile.
Yeah.
I want to see it on my desktop. I just swipe up and it just goes quickly to my desktop. It's seamless. See,
Yeah.
I'll give Apple
PC
that.
part पे go.
I'll give Apple
think,
that. And because no
very
one is able to
good.
replicate that, that's why they'll keep charging what they'll charge and no one will object against it.
वही like Apple is very smart in that terms क्योंकि वो half of the technology that they give you is old technology, but that one thing that they always add in their phone is like something to look out for. वही बात होती है कि because see, when they added that customizable UI and when they added a lot of the other features, those were new features. Those were new for Apple users maybe,
Yeah.
but which other company introduced face recognition? I think
Yeah.
Apple was the first one to
Dude,
integrate.
forget that. No. Face recognition was a thing way before. Like I had it in my first phone, I think, but it was like really crappy. And Apple introduced like the first proper hardware for
वही
face
मतलब
recognition.
optimized
Exactly.
hardware.
Exactly.
With Apple, you can always expect optimized stuff.
Dude,
like no
are you
bugs.
guys forgetting the biggest thing? They introduced the notch. They introduced the whole
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
bezels thingy. They're still
No
on it.
bezels.
While a lot of phones have moved on to better displays, they're still on it with like thick bezel at the top. But they're the first. We all found it weird. You can deny it, but we all found it weird. We all thought
But
no
it's
one will
just
do
cool
it.
now. It's just cool now.
It just made your life easier. It took a year
Yeah.
to get used to it. Everyone just forgot about it. Everyone
And-
finds it the new norm. They take their core. उनका एक सिस्टम में हर सिस्टम में एक चीज होता है जो बदलता नहीं है. Maybe their one
Yes.
chip will upgrade to the new A13, A14, whatever chip
Right.
they're on right now. Maybe their storage will become a little faster. That Apple का software is the same. Everything they offer is the same. एक नया चीज every time they will drop on you. Everyone will
Yeah,
find it
वही.
weird at first, but within 7-8 months, everyone will find it the new thing that everyone should be following, whichever producers are there.
Yes.
It's just their R&D team has itna money from all their sales to put into new stuff that when they release it in such a refined way that other companies cannot. Because, for example, if Samsung, before Apple, I'm saying, Samsung's too big of a company to take the name. If suppose Micromax, company is dead now, but if Micromax in 2011 released their face recognition software, it would be not even 10% of what Apple would have released it at that time, just because उनका budget ही नहीं है उतना, उतनी sales नहीं है, उतना cost price for iPhone 10
Apple's
was 25,000
the richest
rupees.
company in the world, right?
Yeah,
They have more funds than the
Yeah.
US military right now.
I'm not sure about
No,
that, but that sounds plausible.
No. I think the stat is if they were to convert all of their money into an running country,
Yeah.
their economy would be like, I think, the third largest. I think that
Bro,
was
what the
the
heck?
case.
I'm not surprised.
Because, but see, that's the thing, right? Like, I really wanted to talk about like keeping like brand fucking loyalty is a thing. That's
Yeah,
the
brand
that's the
loyalty
worst
is,
part.
yeah.
And I
See, the
hate
thing
brand
is,
loyalty.
going from Samsung to Apple isn't so difficult. Once you're an Apple, coming back to, I'm using Samsung
Right.
again, I mean Android in general.
Yeah.
Going from Android to Apple isn't that big of a difference. You find it, things are simpler. It's a little weird because there is like, mom just shifted from Android to Apple a little while ago. So for her, the whole swiping up and the whole hold to swipe and all that new stuff,
Yeah.
it was weird for her. After 1 week, she got used to it. And then when she went back to use Android, she found the whole thing laggy. She found the whole thing just a little weird. It's just
Right.
seamless. That's the only word. And the
No,
thing
but-
is, there is something called, I'm sorry for cutting you off.
no,
There's
go.
something called, my mind has just gone blank, but what I was talking about was that Apple has this thing that people will relate in their mind to their life is becoming better in some sort of way. So as you are earning more, as you're getting more income, as you have more money to spend, the natural thought in your mind when you see someone with an iPhone is that, oh, unhone paisa spend kiya. And
Right.
it's this thing that as your lifestyle upgrades, you tend to upgrade aspects of it. And for a lot of people, when you're spending more, whether you're not getting your value for it, that lifestyle is upgrading. So suppose tomorrow for example, I have a Wagon R, and I have, over the past 10 years, I have been earning very well. I have, and I want to upgrade a significant part of my lifestyle. What's my next step? Do I upgrade from a Maruti to something in the same line but newer? Will I rather spend a significant chunk of money and I will get something like an entry class Merc? It's just you aren't getting that value for money, but your lifestyle, whether it has or not, in your mind, that brand has created that image that your lifestyle that is increasing.
Yeah.
So it's the exact same thing. कल मुझे ज़्यादा पैसा करना हो phone पे, ठीक है? Tomorrow if I have 1 lakh rupees to spend on a phone, would I rather have that image in my mind कि I'll spend it on a Samsung or will I spend it on an Apple? What will create that perception in your mind that I have spent more and got my worth for it? It's Apple.
तो फिर वो
It's just they've
societal
created that image.
hierarchy create कर ली ना वो phones के जब
Exactly.
iPhone सुनते हैं तो एकदम से लगता है कि okay, that guy is an iPhone.
Dude, but what we don't realize, at least in India, half of the people that have iPhones have loaned their money for iPhones.
What?
It's a very big problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that
People
true?
loan money
Man.
for iPhones in India.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dude, I'll tell you. So Shrev, जब मेरा 12th खत्म हुआ, like in what I think it was May or April, ठीक है? So I was over with my 12th boards and I was looking towards ki kaun se colleges and stuff I have an option for. So tab tak no government college had done their papers for entrances and stuff. So I was looking towards some private engineering colleges. And unme se ek college, they offered me कि हमारा इस एक इन्वेस्टमेंट कंपनी के साथ वी हैव अ टाई अप एंड इफ यू वांट लाइक अ स्टूडेंट लोन यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर. तो उनका 3.8% पे होगा. नाउ आई गो टू देयर साइट, इट वाज फाइनेंस पियर, ठीक है. एंड द फर्स्ट दे हैव एडवर्टाइज्ड कि लोग कोट्स करते हैं ना अपने कि भाई मैंने इस चीज के लिए लिया एंड इतने पैसे लिए. द फर्स्ट थिंग आई सी, आई टुक अ लोन ऑफ 60,000 टू बाय माई सेल्फ एन iPhone. I have seen people actually
People pay
getting
EMIs
iPhones
for their
using,
iPhones. हाँ, वो लोग उस पे भी नहीं कि मतलब 20,000 का तो समझ भी आता है कि चलो तुम you're being
that's the problem.
क्या
People don't take EMIs because EMIs पे क्या होगा, EMIs के लिए you need a very very good credit. 60,000 का EMI लेने के लिए
हाँ
you need a
okay,
very very
yeah,
solid.
yeah, yeah.
And if you have to come to the point to take that EMI only, your credit isn't that good. As simple as that.
No.
God.
Dude, EMI is a very good thing. Let me tell you.
Mhm.
0% interest की EMIs होती हैं, ठीक है. And to buy something on an EMI is a very good plan if you are a salaried person.
You have a secure job and you've got it planned. Yeah.
But what these people with 30 to 40,000 salary do is they get a personal loan from a bank, बहुत छोटे amount का, and then they buy these ये क्या कहते हैं उसको, iPhones. Because उसके लिए क्योंकि एक specific
तो
company के
repay
साथ
कैसे
tie
करते
up
हैं फिर?
I mean they have 30
Bet by
40,000.
bet. I
Wait.
guess they can, use their savings, use their either cut different aspects of their life or.
Salary, like यार तू एक बात बता, you are 21, like अभी you are 18, right? You would be done with college around 21 22 and you don't have any responsibilities, you don't have any people you need to take care of at 22, and you are earning 22,000 via placements from your college. What are you going to spend it on? If you are smart, you're going to invest that money. But if you're a dumbass like most people, you're going to spend it on what? iPhones? या तू गर्लफ्रेंड पे खर्च कर देगा.
By even if you scale up to a lakh ka salary every month, can you justify spending a month of your salary for an entry model iPhone? And I'm not even sure if that's true anymore. I don't even
अब
know
तो
iPhone
entry
12
model तो
release cost
60
in
भी नहीं
India.
है. Entry model is a lakh rupees.
Exactly. Can you justify spending a month of your salary on a phone?
See, that's why Apple has, see, इसीलिए these brands they recognize. अब इंडिया में there is going to be a revolution because brands are now recognizing the Indian market, the potential of the Indian market. इसलिए Apple ने they also opened a factory up in India, right?
I think in Noida or in Delhi, one of those places.
I don't think it's here, but I'm not really sure where it is. Oh, Shrey is looking it up, man.
Jamie, pull that up.
Bro, we should be fucking. तू खुश क्यों हो रहा है?
अरे तो मैं तो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, मैं कैसे करूँ? कोई बात नहीं, और श्रेय कर लेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
I can look it up on my iPad mini, guys. ठीक है. So what the thing is, they are producing what? iPhone 11Rs, right?
Mm-hmm.
XRs.
I don't know if that's a phone.
11
XRs, yeah.
XRs. I'm really bad with that. So yeah, so they are producing them in India so they can sell it at a cheaper cost. क्योंकि the Indian government taxes them so much on import. That's why.
तेरे को पता है?
Yeah,
And
that makes sense.
Aniket,
Hmm.
I have a very interesting story about iPhones, right? So this is
Right.
the year 2013. I'm in Jaipur.
Hmm.
I'm in a really good school in
ठीक है.
Jaipur, and पापा उस टाइम पे दिल्ली में जॉब करते थे. मैं पापा was in NCW at that time, ठीक है. तो पापा मंडे टू फ्राइडे यूज्ड टू बी इन दिल्ली, सैटरडे संडे वो वापस आते थे और मंडे को वापस दिल्ली. ऐसे वो काम कर रहे थे दिल्ली में. तो मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला था और पापा ने, मतलब उसके पिछले बर्थडे मुझे गिफ्ट नहीं मिला था फॉर सम रीज़न, क्योंकि पहले पापा ने PS2 दिला दिया, शायद उसने बोला आपकी बार नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. तो उन्होंने हाँ, तो उन्होंने क्या बोलते हैं, तो वो बाहर थे, दिल्ली थे, फ्राइडे की बात है. मैंने बोला पापा यार गिफ्ट लाओ यार बर्थडे पे, मेरे को पिछले साल भी नहीं मिला. मैं रोने लग गया. पापा कह रहे ले आऊँगा, टेंशन मत लो, कुछ बढ़िया ला रहा हूँ. मैं कहा बढ़िया ला रहे थे, ठीक है 7th क्लास का बच्चा हूँ मैं, ठीक है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है मुझे. पापा लेके आते हैं अगले दिन मैं उठता हूँ, पापा सोए हुए, मम्मी वगैरह सब सोए हुए हैं. मैं बाहर जाता हूँ, इतने 2 बड़े बड़े डब्बे रखे हुए हैं, ठीक है, थैलियों में. एक डब्बा खोला, उसमें निकली मिठाई. आई वाज लाइक फक दिस शिट मैन. मैंने दूसरा डब्बा भी नहीं खोला.
अग्रवाल चाली की दुकान पर कराओ.
मैंने दूसरा डब्बा भी नहीं खोला, मैं चुपचाप जाकर सो गया. मैं सोया और फिर जब
अरे
मैं 10-11 बजे उठा, मम्मी ने बोला तूने चेक नहीं किया तेरा गिफ्ट आया है? मैंने कहा मिठाई पड़ी है उसके अंदर। मम्मी कह रही चेक करके आ। मैं गया एंड इट वाज एन आईफोन 4S 13 में, ठीक है, इट वाज द न्यूएस्ट आईफोन देन। और मेरे को
हाँ
4S
यस,
मिल गया, आई वाज लाइक फक यार, ये तो वो तो फीलिंग अलग
ये
होती है
तो
ना व्हेन यू गेट योर फर्स्ट आईफोन एंड आई वाज इन क्लास
हम्म
7। तो आई जस्ट लुक एट
हाँ
दैट और फिर मैं बाहर जाके फ्लेक्स कर रहा हूँ, स्कूल लेके जा रहा हूँ, अच्छा तुमको क्या 4S पड़ा है मेरे पास। अलग सीन चल रहा है। फिर एकदम से मेरे
हाँ
बड़े पापा ने नोटिस किया दैट आई हैव एन आईफोन, ठीक है,
हम्म,
उनका फोन टूट गया
तेरा
था, ठीक है।
ओ भाई
यस, आई न्यू वेयर दिस वाज
उन्होंने
गोइंग, लाइक
पापा को बोला
द मोमेंट यू, हाँ
उन्होंने पापा को बोला कि मेरा ना फोन टूट गया है। तो पापा ने भी एज एन ओबीडिएंट ब्रदर बोल दिया कि मतलब आप परिचय का ले जाओ,
अरे परिचय ना,
अभी है ना परिचय, अभी वो क्या करता है उसको कोई काम तो नहीं है। तो मैंने भी आउट ऑफ मैं भी यार बड़े पापा को तो दे ही सकता हूँ, तो मैंने कहा हाँ आप ले जाओ। तो जैसे बड़ा अपन बोला मैं नया ले लूँगा तो तेरे को वापस दे दूंगा। मैं कहा ठीक है।
हम्म,
वो गया उधर, फिर जैसे ही वो गया उन्होंने नया फ़ोन ले लिया बट आईफोन वापस नहीं आया। तो मैं नीचे गया, तो मैं बड़ा पापा गया,
एक्सचेंज,
नहीं मैं गया। तो फिर मेरे को एकदम से बोला कि मैंने बोला बड़े पापा यार आईफोन वो किधर है, मेरा फ़ोन कहाँ है? तो बोले वो भैया ट्रिप पे गए हैं, वो ट्रिप से आएंगे ना तो दे देंगे। ठीक है, हफ्ते भर की ट्रिप
ठीक है,
हुई, ट्रिप कैंसिल, मतलब ट्रिप से आ गए वो, आईफोन मेरे हाथ में
लाइक
वापस आ गया। एकदम से मेरे भैया का फ़ोन भी टूट गया, पता नहीं क्या सर्कमस्टेंसेस, और फिर वो फ़ोन गया और मेरे पास कभी आया ही नहीं। वो फ़ोन की
आई
तलाश
थिंक
में
दिस
मैं
इज
आज तक
क्वाइट
हूँ।
प्लान्ड, ये बड़ा प्लान था मुझे तो लग रहा है।
आई डोंट वांट टू ब्लेम माय फैमिली।
आई एम
पॉडकास्ट के लिए घर में दरार नहीं चाहिए
ब्लेमिंग
मुझे।
them.
not gonna lie, my lord, not gonna lie,
Sounds
there
a
was
little
some fishy.
dishonest.
भैया इस काइंड says not gonna lie, he self reported।
I एक second bro, we need to give this a little pause. भाई मैं नहीं देख पा रहा अपनी स्क्रीन की तरफ अपने बालों के साथ। I'll tell you what this is, ठीक है, सुन what happened is, मेरे I shaved my head, you remember right, तेरे साथ ही शेव किया था मैंने। सो मेरे बाल ना उल जुलूल उग रहे हैं, तूने तो कट, आई थिंक तूने तो करवा
मैंने
लिए
तो
थे ना
भाई
अपने
थोड़े से
बाल,
उगते ही कटवा लिए भाई, साइड से छोटे ऊपर से लंबे कर दो भैया।
ठीक है वही, ठीक है, तो आई डिडंट डू दैट। तो मेरे बाल ना जंगलियों की तरह हर सारे डायरेक्शन में बढ़ गए थे। तो
हाँ
मैं जैसे ये हेडफोन लगाता तो मेरे कानों में हेडफोन के बीच में आ रहे हैं,
हाँ
तो आई वाज लाइक कटवाने हैं। मम्मी
हाँ,
नहीं मैं काट,
मम्मी ने बोला ना।
लाइक
हाँ
लाइक यार कोई नहीं, अरमान इनके काटने दो।
क्या?
ब्रो यू नो ना कि तुम जब अच्छे नहीं भी लग रहे होते तो योर मदर इज लाइक नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ,
काटने के बाद मेरी मम्मी ने कहा खुद कटवा के आई हो, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा। ठीक है
भाई
हाँ।
आज मम्मी ऑफिस से आई, कटवाई आ बेटा तू, नहीं लग रहा अच्छा।
मम्मी को भी लग रहा है यार कुछ तो गलत हो गया इधर ये।
ब्रो ब्रो मेरे, एंड द वर्स्ट
ब्रो तेरे को
पार्ट
पता
इज,
है तू ऐसे गंदे गट्टे में
my
लेके जाएगा ना जो अपने
expectations for
बार्बर
you
के
were
पास
low,
में,
but holy fuck.
तेरा बार्बर पता है क्या बोलेगा? वो बोलेगा भैया आपने कहाँ से कटवाए बाल? यहाँ से
है
तो
भी
नहीं
यार
है ये यहाँ के तो नहीं है ये।
ना किसी को बोलना कि यहाँ के हैं।
कि हमको किसी को बताना मतलब यहाँ से बाहर निकले, ठीक है।
डूड मैं कोरोना के चक्कर में नहीं जा रहा था लिटरली, नाउ तो भाई अब तो ये हो गया ना। और आई हैड टू गो आउट विद फ्रेंड्स, द ओनली वाइज चॉइस आई मेड वाज आई वेंट आउट विद फ्रेंड्स, देन आई गॉट माय कट। बट आई डिडंट रिमेंबर कि मुझे हर हफ्ते अपनी शक्ल रिकॉर्ड करके 100 लोगों के लिए डालनी होती है यूट्यूब पे।
हाँ कोई बात नहीं,
And ये हो गया भाई, ये डिजास्टर हो गया हमारे साथ। बट ब्रो
राइट
इट
सो
इज सो
ओके
बैड।
लेट मी जस्ट क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो एलिफेंट इन द रूम वाला क्या होता है इडियम?
हाँ भाई,
Let me
elephant in the
address the
room.
Elephant in the room, let's go. So yes, Shrey.
अरे
So as most of you might not know, Shrey or might know, Shrey has
Yeah, don't say
What?
might not know. थोड़ा दर्द
yeah
हो रहा है
might know
मुझे
yes. No, because you're all grown up now, na? So that's
no,
why.
सुनो anybody who is 18 or over 18 would know। भाई क्या बात कर रहे हो?
But they wouldn't recognize him, na, because he's now all grown up, na? ऐसे कह रहा हूँ मैं.
Maybe. I didn't have specs as well.
Yeah. So
Damn, my guy is
Shrey
owning up to it, man.
was has worked in Bollywood and he has been in some movies that I was a big fan of. Turns out. So तेरे को पता है निकेत, हम दोनों एक बार बात कर रहे थे and इसने मुझे बोला he worked in Folk 2, yes.
फोक की बार तू बोल रहा था मैं।
मजाक से हटके मैं बताऊं तेरे को, मैं 2 हफ्ता लगाऊं लाइन में उस पिक्चर की सीडी के लिए पापा के साथ में कि यार मिल जाए, फूक 2 मिल जाए, देखनी है कुछ। भाई दे नहीं रहे, कह रहे सोल्ड आउट, नहीं आ रही, चली गई।
और ये बंदा बोलता है मैं था
मैं
उसमें,
था
क्या बात
उसमें,
कर
तू क्या बात कर, मैं था उसमें। So Shrey has worked in movies in the likes of Bhootnath. He has done some projects with Shah Rukh Khan as well, and has been in
अरे
food
हाँ
too. So you want to talk about that, Shrey?
Sure. So I think the two movies that are mainly known are Bhootnath and Dostana.
Yeah.
Dostana is the film with your Abhishek and John Abraham and your Priyanka Chopra and Bobby Deol.
दोस्ताना मैंने देखी नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट अ बिट
यार fuck, मैं
होमोफोबिक।
बॉबी देओल को कैसे भूल गया दोस्ताना में। मैं पता है, मेरे को लगा ये जॉन अब्राहम पे रुक जाएगा, लाइक बॉबी देओल भी तो था। लास्ट में आता है वो।
अभिषेक बच्चन था।
It's fine. एक
अरे
actor
बॉबी
होता
देओल
है
था
that
ना
causes
लास्ट
the
में प्रियंका
downfall of the
चोपड़ा का
movie.
बॉयफ्रेंड।
परदेसी नाउ आई रिमेंबर, नाउ आई
Yeah,
रिमेंबर।
yeah, yeah.
हाँ बोल बोल।
So, Bhootnath, Fook, and Dostana are the main movies that I have worked in for India. Other than that, there's one movie that was released purely for the Punjabi crowd in the United States, and that was called Khushiyan.
ओके
And other than that, there was one movie that hasn't been released to the public because of some issues, that internal issues. पहले budgeting का issue हो गया था, उसके बाद another company decided to use that name for their movie, so there were
अरे।
copyright issues, and that movie never ended up coming out.
Oh,
हाँ
But yeah, but other than that, worked in over like 200-250 ads, and
that is a lot of ads.
What?
That is a lot of ads.
both
Arey.
for India and internationally.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So funny that you mentioned कि you did a movie just like exclusively for the Punjabi crowd in America,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
So today they named a little street on in New York Punjab Avenue.
Not
Punjabi
surprised.
Yes.
There's a surprising amount of Punjabis in US.
Yes,
Arey,
yes,
they
yes.
also
Like
named a street or some they named a street in the name of Harivansh Rai Bachchan in some country. I don't remember which country.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they did. Yeah, Amitabh Bachchan posted it on Instagram.
I don't know.
किसी कंट्री के कोई स्ट्रीट को या किसी जगह को they named it हरिवंश राय बच्चन स्ट्रीट or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
अभी तक क्या था? Formerly, like most of the people knew like you could get your Indian food and stuff from Jackson Street in New York. Like it was the most famous little Indian place.
अच्छा.
But now they've named it Little Punjab because वहाँ पे जो area है ना,
हाँ.
Mm-hmm.
most of it is owned by Punjabi families, like the restaurants and the क्या कहते हैं,
Right.
shops and stuff, and mostly like सरदार ही रहते हैं वहाँ पे. That's the
Mm-hmm.
thing.
And you know, in fact, even on New York, your main Times Square, a lot of Indian stuff has started opening up. A few Punjabi stuff has started opening up. मतलब $20
Yeah.
का एक पानी पूरी का प्लेट खरीद लो आप उधर, और
वहाँ पे
कितने डॉलर का?
one of
$20 का अराउंड 1500 रुपए का एक पानी पूरी का प्लेट मैंने खाया है उधर,
dude,
because
Bro.
I was missing India a little.
What the heck? How did it taste? What did it taste like?
It tasted surprisingly worse than Indians would make it. जो घर का जो पानी पूरी होता है ना वो.
so basically bland, basically water, right?
हाँ. उधर के तो जलजीरा में भी वो स्वाद कहाँ होगा?
अरे
अरे
वो
क्या
पसीना
यार,
निकाल दो।
देश की मिट्टी. हाँ.
अरे सुन so पता है, like funny that you mentioned पानी पूरी, जो like न्यूयॉर्क का one of the most iconic जो एक वो है ना कार्ट है, that is a डोसा वाला का कार्ट, literally in
Really?
Central Park. Yeah. You don't know about this man.
नहीं.
I don't think he's Indian. I think he's Sri Lankan. He's Sri Lankan Tamil. So he has a cart in like I think Central Park, and it's like very very famous. Like लोग actually में जाते हैं, and they say it's good. I've never tasted it, so yeah.
Probably
But
if
a
he's
lot
Tamil, I wouldn't be surprised if he brought like some home recipes or something along with
Yeah,
him.
वही. But I've been noticing like जो न्यूयॉर्क में है ना, a lot of Asian and Egyptian cuisines are popping off right now.
Yeah.
Like halal boys जो हैं वहाँ पे, the
Yeah.
food carts. Did you have that?
Yeah.
Oh no. You didn't have that for legal reasons, ठीक है?
Yeah, of course. What are you talking about?
You had fish and chips there.
Fish and chips.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fish
of
and
course. Tuna is what he has.
Tuna.
अरे, but it has been popping off, bro. पता है, they
Yeah.
opened 13 chains, but still.
Yeah. Dude, I think in the middle and even now to a large extent, Japanese was the only Asian cuisine other than Chinese. Chinese has always been there, but Japanese cuisine with their sushi and stuff had been popping off since like the last decade. But I see a lot of Indian and Egyptian food coming in because people have started appreciating spices a lot more. and
Wait.
Indian and Egyptian food have that.
Also, like Japanese food was usually the only authentic Asian food that you could get because
Mhm.
Chinese food
Yeah, Chinese was always very mixed with Western food. Exactly.
So तुम लोगों ने खाया है क्या Japanese cuisine?
Yeah, obviously.
I haven't had it.
You haven't had sushi, and
I
No,
want
I
to.
haven't had it because
it's
don't have
really
it.
good.
Motherfucker, तू जयपुर में रहता है, वहाँ पे मछली फ्रेश नहीं
Shut
होती
the
है.
Oh,
fuck
yeah,
up. I'm
I-
gonna
see,
have
I
it
don't
from
know
a
about
good
that.
place, ठीक है?
I don't know about that. Yeah, as long as you get it from a reputable place that you have an idea about, I don't think that should be an
Somebody
issue.
had like there is a 7-star or 5-star hotel in Jodhpur, of course. उधर का ना उधर सुशी मिलती है. उधर सुशी आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. मेरा एक दोस्त खा के आया था, उसने बोला जिंदगी में मत खाना सुशी कभी. खाई तो मेरे से
Look, it
दोस्ती
is
तोड़ देना.
acquired
I'm like what?
It is an acquired taste, yaar.
No,
I
not
mean-
you know what sushi
What
I
does
thought was
sushi
always an
taste
acquired
like? What
taste.
does it taste like?
So it sounds very disgusting when you put it together that it's raw fish and stuff like that. But all of your sushi isn't raw. The sushi that I like usually has cooked elements to it. So I'd say the most popular types of sushi would be your prawn tempuras and your basic salmon fishes and stuff like that.
Is
It's
it
basically
sour?
no, it's okay. So the only problem and the drawback that people face mainly is that while it may be very nutrient rich, it's very heavy in sodium. Kyunki to preserve the fish and the only spice they use mainly is their salt, and वो salt भर के डालते हैं. Whether it be to preserve their fish, whether it be for whatever to get that fresh kind of taste, whatever it is. I don't know the intricacies behind making sushi, but I know that it has a very unhealthy amount of sodium up to the point that if you have more than like 8-10 pieces, you start feeling very weird from inside. Like you feel like throwing up. It's a lot of unhealthy sodium for you.
Right.
So it's not recommended to have Japanese food very often. But when you do, for most of the people I've met, they find sushi very disgusting at first. My mom being one of them. Like the idea of sushi, but once you eat it, it's the combination of their sticky rice with their well-seasoned meat and their little leaves on the background with some sauce on the top. It's a really good it just works together. As simple as that.
It's really great.
It may not be the best individually, but together it
क्योंकि
blends
ना
to form a
देख
great
पता है
dish.
तेरे को श्रेय मैं जब भी जैसे नेपॉम की या किसी like Napalm's a beatboxer is from America, so he went to Japan recently, right? तो वो जापान कुछ 1 महीना 1.5 महीना रह के आया, तो he used to put up a lot of stories of everything that he ate or on whatever, right? तो उधर वो ना जापानीज क्विजीन की वो स्टोरीज डालता था, तो उधर बहुत दिखने में बहुत अच्छा था यार. वो मीट को ऐसा वो क्या बोलते हैं सिजल करते हैं या पकाते हैं उनको. They get a fucking pan. So
it isn't all raw. It's like a very stereotypical thing to say that sushi is completely raw fish. I wouldn't even call it stereotypical. But there are only a few aspects of sushi that may be raw, or there are many sushis, including ones, like how Chinese has got that Western infusion with it. As sushi has migrated from Japan to here, it just isn't the exact same thing. They've changed it a little for taste like ours that aren't acquired like theirs.
But I have never had it for the same reason, bro. क्योंकि दिल्ली में there isn't like what क्या कहते हैं fresh fish, so I've never considered it. समझ रहा है? So that's my only gripe.
Sorry, I'm just
like,
going to restart my video.
Yeah.
No problem. Like if I go to a coastal place again, I'll probably get some sushi because I don't
If you ever
mind.
make your way down to Mumbai, you find some great
काफी अच्छा
sushi
लगता है,
here.
पता है दिखने में तो मेरे को डिलीशियस लगता है. अभी कभी खाऊंगा तो देखते हैं. But
If you
दिखने में
ever,
तो
if any of you ever make your way down to Mumbai, there's a lot of sushi options over there that are really good.
Right. अरे
I've
think
eaten some
Indian-
Japanese sweets, bro, candies and shit. कुछ बहुत
अरे,
टेस्टी होती है, पता है.
वो खाया क्या तूने डोरेमोन के उसमें जो वो होता था उसका क्या कहते थे उसको क्या कहते थे उसको
डोरेमोन. क्या खाया तूने? क्या बोल रहा है?
पता नहीं मैं वो क्या कहते थे उसको वो
क्या-
जो वो
क्या?
गुजिया होती थी जो उसकी
क्या होती थी?
गुजिया
गुजिया. मैंने नहीं खाई.
अरे
मैंने नहीं खाई.
आई डोंट नो आई थिंक कौन से केक होते थे जैम केक्स नहीं
अरे तेरे को पता है वो जो चॉकलेट केक ना, वो जो चॉकलेट केक क्या वो
चोकोपाई
चोकोपाई नहीं, अरे वो डोरेमोन उसको क्या बोलता था यार.
समझ गया ना मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ जो
अरे
काला
मैं
काला
एकदम
होता था
सही समझ गया हूँ, बट उस केक को बोलता क्या था वो?
वही ना जैम केक
अरे
कुछ
नहीं,
केक होता था
सर्च इट अपना 1 सेकंड सर्च कर लेना यार तू. डोरेमोन के केक्स का नाम क्या था?
डोरेमोन केक्स ब्रो
डोरेमोन केक्स ब्रो, बट वो डोरेमोन शेप्ड केक्स आ जाएंगे ब्रो. कन्फेक्शनरीज.
डोरेमोन
अरे मेरे को याद क्यों नहीं आ रहा यार.
अरे 100 वही आया, 100
Bro, अभी
बेस्ट कार्टून डिजाइन।
रुक रुक नहीं, डोरेमोन
डोरा
डोरा
की
की एक। अब मैं तेरे को बताऊं एक बहुत तगड़ी चीज, तेरा ना चाइल्डहुड
हाँ,
बर्बाद करने वाला हूं मैं 1 सेकंड में।
अफीम की गोली होती है क्या वो?
नहीं, नहीं तू क्या
अच्छा फिर ठीक।
कि तू भी टाइम ट्रैवल हो रहा है। ये लोग बोलते हैं एक डोरा के खा लो।
डिलीट कर रहे हैं ये लोग सीधा।
अरे नहीं, सुन सुन सुन। तो
बोल बोल।
देयर वाज अ वीडियो रिकमेंडेड टू मी नेम डोरा केक, और जापानीज में कुछ लिखा था, एंड इट वाज द एक्चुअल रेसिपी ऑफ डोरा केक्स। ठीक है, यू नो डोरा केक्स राइट? You've seen Doraemon, right?
Yes, yes.
You know, do you know what Dora cakes are made up of?
No. I think soya. I'm not sure. Maybe wrong.
What?
Ruin is trying.
I think soya. I may be completely wrong.
Bro,
Take a
you're
guess. Take a guess.
almost there. Soya is probably
take
used, I don't remember, but the main ingredient of that cake is not chocolate, it's rajma, it's beans. Beans का paste and then they fill it up. Bro, that ruined my fucking childhood. और तेरे को पता है अपने इंडिया में कोई यूट्यूबर है, उसने बोल दिया भाड़ में गया, वो ओरिजिनल रेसिपी मैं बताती हूँ चॉकलेट से कैसे बनाना है। ब्रेड लो, जैसे उसने फ्लोर से बनाया वैसे ही बनाओ, अंदर डालो न्यूटेला, ठीक है, खाओ चुपचाप।
Correct.
So I would, so मेरा न्यूटेला का is an abusive relationship. सुनो,
I mean,
See.
who can relate?
ठीक है।
Okay.
can relate. ठीक है, I don't get Nutella anymore because I would finish that shit in 1 or 2 days.
ब्रो मेरी माँ कहती है बहुत
हैं?
महंगा है। मेरी माँ को तो मैं 450 की इतनी सी बोतल दिखाता हूँ ना, मेरी माँ कहती है वापस रख के आ जा, नहीं तो इतनी चपेट मारूंगी ना।
नहीं मेरे घर वाले मना नहीं करते ब्रो, बट मैं खुद ही बुरा फील करता हूँ
फिर
फिर बाद में।
450 450।
Dude, सुन, a very good thing happened with me. So lockdown में obviously we weren't having like food from outside, right? So I hadn't had KFC in 2 years because KFC probably uses the worst meat you could find.
Oh, 100%. But there's
Yeah.
just something to the taste that will
But
make you
वही-
There's
break down.
वही-
something with the taste ना, that's the thing.
Hmm.
वो जो वो अफीम की गोलियां बीच में घुसाते हैं ना उसके बाद,
ब्रो वो जो खाने के
सुन।
बाद एक हाय, ओके ना।
वो भाई अली मौला जो बचता है ना फिर सर में।
तू बता क्या कह रहा है? KFC क्या?
हाँ, नहीं पिटवा रहा तेरे को, चिंता
हाँ
मत
भाई,
कर।
मेरे को
मैं कह
टेंशन
रहा
होती
हूँ-
है भाई, तू हाँ।
सुन। So I ordered, I think a zinger, and I think I ordered 2 crispy भी नहीं थे, that was कुछ उन्होंने नया hot fiery कुछ करके निकाला है। I was like,
Hmm.
hot fiery है ये तो
Those
bro,
wings.
आग ही लगा देगा bro।
हाँ
Bro वो तंदूरी विंग,
हाँ
ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा मिर्च डाल के दे रखे
हाँ
हैं।
हाँ,
They were 300
okay,
and the burger was like what 150.
हाँ, हाँ,
Now, I don't mind paying 450, ठीक है,
हम्म,
but when I ate it
हम्म।
in a span of 10-15 minutes,
15 मिनट्स
I
में जब तेरे
realized-
450 रुपए तुझे हड्डियां दिख रही है और
food. And the worst part is I started to cook a lot of my own chicken during the lockdown,
Mhm.
right?
हम्म,
So I know what care and time goes into it. So like जो स्वाद आता था ना आखिरी में एंड रिजल्ट का अपनी
हाँ।
मेहनत का,
Hmm.
वो अलग ही आता था।
वो
मतलब
प्यार ही
Yeah,
नहीं है
same.
KFC में, वो प्यार ही नहीं है KFC में।
वो अपने हाथों का वो नहीं है ना, प्यार नहीं है।
हाँ, exactly. I also cook most of my own meals, and there's just a different, you know,
Bro.
टट्टी
Okay,
भी हो ना,
what is
end में
it?
खाने में मजा आता है.
हाँ।
I don't cook that much. I can only cook Maggi, and I know the recipe of paneer, but I did not make much paneer. ठीक है?
Hmm.
So what is? I can make fire Maggi. That मेरे हाथ की मैगी खाओगे तो मजा आ जाएगा तुमको. Yes,
Oh.
I can take that.
Okay.
मेरे को तुम दोनों बताओ, तुम दोनों की जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल श्रेय, तू बता what is your favorite dish that you make? Like what's
My favorite dish that I
that you're
make.
most confident about? Like ये तो मतलब आग ही लगा देगा.
Hmm. I make some shredded chicken quesadillas with sour cream on the side.
Yes. I used to make tacos a lot, पता है, in the
Ooh.
lockdown.
Hmm.
What I would do is I wouldn't make gravy wala chicken. I would make
Mhm.
very very thick gravy ka chicken.
Yeah, I don't like very gravy filled chicken जब खुद बना रहे हो. हाँ वही. वो माँ बना ले तो ठीक है मैं खा लूँगा. But वो
Dude,
खुद बनाने में मजा नहीं आता.
Bro, but thick gravy wala chicken is just
It just
hits
hits different.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What I would do is I would make thick gravy wala chicken. I would make those taco shells, normal tortillas की तरह.
Mm-hmm.
वही फिर भाई, and those are pretty epic. But
Oh yeah.
my best recipe that I found
Mhm.
was it involves chicken, it involves burgers, but it isn't your normal burger. It's
Mm-hmm.
I make a very killer like chicken ghee roast, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I use that instead of the chicken patty in the burger.
Yeah, the meat will be
And I
much
cook-
better.
the meat will be much better, and I cook it with a little sauce so that I don't have to use cold sauce or like any kind of mayo.
Yeah.
That sauce with the chicken and the crunchiness of the onions is enough to make a man.
अनिकेत रात के 12 बज गए, मैं नहीं चाहता अभी मुझे भूख
I
लगी
swear
है।
मुझे भूख लग रही है यार.
मजाक
I was
से
just gonna
ठीक
say that.
और मुझे बताओ तुम लोग मैरिनेट करते हो चिकन को पहले या तुम डायरेक्ट?
Oh, 100%. No, see, so if I'm going to do a very high effort meal, for example, if I'm feeding someone else, then I will definitely marinate it beforehand. If I'm doing, if you know, kabhi time restraint होता है, kabhi भूल जाओ, kabhi honestly you're just lazy, then I do like a quick spice rub or like a quick little 20-minute marinade or something like
लाइक
that.
बिना मैरिनेट किए भी चिकन लाइक काफी अच्छा बनता
No,
है।
but the marinade, it does make a
मैरिनेट करने के
considerable
बाद वो
difference.
मीट के अंदर लाइक
Yeah. Because it soaks into the meat. That's the exact thing. It absorbs the flavors.
Dry rub you shouldn't really care about. If you are making a dry rub, it isn't going to make a
Yeah.
lot of difference.
Dry rub को marinate करने का फायदा ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
It doesn't absorb anything.
Bro, दही रब
ब्रो
दही का
दही
जो
के
बनाते
साथ और वो मसाले जाते हैं और फिर वो फ्रिज में जाता है 2 घंटे के लिए।
मैं दही खाता नहीं हूँ, माइंड यू।
हाँ
मैं खाता भी नहीं हूँ, मैं खाता
तो
नहीं हूँ
दही शक्कर भी नहीं खाता?
Same. Even I don't touch curd in any form.
Why do?
Dude,
Can
curd
you
is pretty
stand that
disgusting.
smell?
And I hate people who put it over biryani. What is wrong with you? Or over rajma chawal. What the fuck? Who does
Dude,
that?
yes, भाई।
Why are you ruining the flavor of your dish with
I mean I can
curd?
go with rajma chawal but
यार moment है।
Biryani is something. It's a very
Yes.
pure dish.
Very pure. You shouldn't fuck with
The
soul
masalas,
that
the
dish
oil,
is
the
just
way the
pure.
chicken is cooked, and you know,
Very
biryani isn't biryani for me without some chunks of potatoes because that's how I've had it since bachpan. So I really appreciate some well cooked potatoes inside a biryani.
Bengali।
And
Jesse he was like yeah bro you're like potatoes
Bengali।
no
he's
man,
not
I'm
Bengali,
Punjabi.
he's not Bengali
अरे
It's just this weird little thing that my mom started doing like a few years ago, and now it just feels incomplete. I can do without it, obviously. बाहर जाता हूँ तो potato नहीं होता, I still enjoy it. But वो घर के बिरयानी में I like that it's like perfectly
हाँ veg
boiled
pulao
potato.
maybe you're like
It's nice.
aloo it's
Yeah.
different and why though why what's wrong
I
with
don't
veg
like
pulao?
veg pulao. I don't
veg
like
pulao
veg
को हम लोग
pulao.
यहाँ पे बोलते हैं त्यारी ठीक है त्यारी is just मसाले वाला चावल it's just veg pulao basically right
Correct. That's all it is.
so it
जो
just
गार्डन में
tastes-
उगता है उसको बस छीक दो चावल में वो हो गया तेरा
I
veg pulao.
mean that's okay
Hmm.
I am
Me and Shrey literally have the same taste, man. I'm telling you. Dude, tell me why. Like curd, I can't fuck with the smell of curd, man. I just can't.
Oh,
get
dude,
past
curd makes me feel weird from inside.
Same.
Or you know how I used to have it when I was a kid. उसमें ऐसे sugar फेंकता था उसमें ना दही में, and then I used to have like suppose if like because I'm Punjabi, so we used to have a lot of parathas at home. तो पराठा के साथ ना always butter got a little boring. So I used to sometimes, very rarely, used to have curd just until my mom forced me. After that, I just stopped that immediately. But like I used to dip my paratha inside curd, and it was filled with sugar, and that's the only way I could get it down
Bro,
my system.
that exactly. When I was in Delhi, some like मेरे पापा के कोई दोस्त थे हमारे लैंडलॉर्ड तो पता नहीं कौन था उन्होंने हमको बुलाया था मतलब इनवाइट किया था खाने के लिए उधर वो मक्के की वो रोटी बनाई थी उन्होंने साग बनाया था और मैंने उधर पहली बार मीठी वो चीनी वाली दही के साथ में पराठे खाए थे Bro, that shit is really fucking nice.
It hits different.
It's so good. अनिकेत मजाक
It's an
करके कभी
actually
ट्राई करियो
decent-
तू आलू के
Dude,
पराठे
तू
बनाइयो
ना you
आलू-
can't put too much चीनी.
हाँ.
तू ना बस डालते जा
हाँ.
अरे
डायबिटिक हो सकता है अगली मॉर्निंग वो अलग है बट तू बस डालते जा जो टेस्ट आएगा ना
डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं यार आपने पराठे नहीं खाए यार आप डायबिटीज से बता रहे हो पराठे खाए आपने चीनी के साथ
dude, the only time I've had like curd is जाफरानी रायता होता है, right? I think.
मेरे को रायता
I
पसंद
can
नहीं
have
है।
raita. I can have raita. But I
cannot
can't put
have
raita
raita.
over anything else. I can have raita
No.
plain.
I don't eat raita also.
I
तो
don't
रायता
have
में
it, but
बूंदी
I
डालते
can
हो?
have it. Yeah, so there are two types of raita that I like or that I've had in general. One's a bundi raita and one's like it has like cucumber and tomato and it with like a little, I think garam masala or like something
Yeah.
like that on top. But that's the only one I can get down. That also if there is, अगर सब कुछ टेबल पे टट्टी हो तभी.
Dude,
नहीं तो मैं नहीं
यहाँ पे-
खाता.
यहाँ पे वो मिलता है bro, pineapple रायता. I've heard that's good. Never had it.
It
But
sounds like a
जाफरानी-
decent combination.
जाफरानी रायता जो होता है ना, it's not रायता, it's a dip. Like it's served as a dip. समझ रहा है with ये कलौटी kebabs and shit.
Oh, Don't get me started on gulati
कि
kebab.
सर आपके मील के साथ में एक जाफरानी रायता भी कर दो। नहीं 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 रायता नहीं चाहिए। अरे सर डिप है सर 20 रुपए का है, क्या कह रहे हो आप? सुनो सही मेरी बात तो सुनो।
सर लो
स्लो सर,
मैं बता
आपको
रहा हूँ।
मजा आएगा सर, सुनो मेरी बात।
My dad, the first time he was giving me galati kebab, na, we had gone to some restaurant.
अरे
And
गलौटी कबाब
before
पे तो
eating
हमने
it,
पूरा पॉडकास्ट कर
he
दिया
had given me
यार।
this whole. वही यार, उसने मुझे पूरा लेक्चर दिया how galati kebab is made, why it was made. There was a king who didn't have teeth और उसके लिए बनाए galati
Who-
kebab.
who gave
क्योंकि
you
उसके
that
पास दांत
lecture?
नहीं थे, तो उसके पास मैं
मैं
dad
नहीं
है.
था।
Your dad is Aniket. Basically when we had that podcast, मतलब was like रुक जाओ मैं बताता हूँ बने कैसे थे। ठीक है, एक राजा था, बहुत आलसी था, बोला मुझे कुछ ऐसा तो जो मैं खा नहीं, मतलब मेरे को चू नहीं करना। कह रहे हम बनाते हैं सर, आप रुको हम आपको देते हैं कबाब, मुंह में जाते ही निकल जाएगा।
Isn't it fascinating how motherfuckers had to work around these assholes who didn't want to do this?
ब्रो शेफ के दिमाग में क्या गया होगा कि राजा को चू नहीं करना है।
हाँ। इसको पता है ना खाना खा रहा है ये।
कबाब भी चाहिए और मुंह नहीं चढ़ाना। हम प्रबंध करते हैं।
अच्छा, my dad had told a little edited story of this. Either he's wrong or you're wrong. Don't want to put any allegations on anyone.
Yeah.
But क्या कहते हैं, he had told me उसके पास दांत ही नहीं थे, तो वो चबा नहीं सकता था. But he missed solid food and heard felt in his mouth. So he said, "Give me something that I can chew with just my gums. I don't need my teeth to chew it, or I can just suck on it and get that feeling of
Right.
something hard in my mouth."
अरे
And I just that's
Shrey, you're still 17. You did not
अरे
expect
नहीं, मैं हंसा
कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, कुछ हुआ ही
we're
नहीं।
not promoting
गलौटी
anything.
कबाब हंस रहे हैं। हाँ चलो हाँ।
Hmm.
गले का अरे बट स्टिल ब्रो नहीं the thing is this is what happens when you deserve खिचड़ी but औकात तुम्हारी गलौटी के पास। But yes, अरे क्रैक गलौटी कबाब पे इतना नहीं हंसते भाई।
I was just imagining कि और राजा ने उसको बोला होगा, I just want the sensation of something hard in my mouth, and the chef's like,
just unbuckles his pants and Raja looks at him like this.
credit card declines, the chef unbuckles pants. Oh shit यार।
He unbuckles pants and Raja's like नहीं तू खिचड़ी दे
तो
दे भाई
खिचड़ी
कोई
दे दे यार, कोई बात नहीं। Fuck you
तू
यार।
दलिया फेंक के मार। But still bro. Also
Hmm.
like एक second. Since you did mention कि Shrey used to work in like Shrey, I have a really big I don't have a problem with child actors
Mm-hmm.
because they are still working, right? They are
Mhm.
getting paid for what they are doing.
Right.
I have a really big problem with these showboardings like जो dance shows होते हैं ना bro, I can't fuck with that.
Oh, same. I don't watch that shit.
Dude.
I can't.
Dude, it's basically child labor at that point क्योंकि I'm pretty sure a kid is not functioned to dance 8 hours a day. ठीक है? So I'm convinced those motherfuckers are giving them chemicals and medicines that we can't
It
even
may
get our
not
hands
be as extreme as that because as mainstream as it is, it gets, a little unbelievable for me to believe that. But
Hmm.
see, itna bol sakta hu, there are a lot of parents who push their kids. There are a lot of monetary incentives that
Hmm.
they will get, so they'll push their kids to do that. But I do know a few people personally who have been like that just because of passion. वो डांस शोज पे नहीं जाएंगे, बट वो ऐसे 8-10 घंटे दिन में डांस करेंगे.
हाँ
अरे ब्रो वही डांस मैं भी करता था एंड दिस इज अ पर्सनल थिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू बी अ डांसर ठीक है
Mhm.
until I got fat but that's
Mhm.
another story but I used to be a dancer and I used to see like the thing is usually क्योंकि जब DID होता था ना they still were decent with it कि भाई 12 से 13 साल के बच्चे होंगे and 15
Right.
साल तक and
अब तो 3
Dude.
साल के बच्चे आके हाँ।
Dude, किसी 3 साल के बच्चे का सपना नहीं होता कि मेरी माँ के गले में सोने की चाहिए ठीक है and that
They
is
could
what-
just be forced. See, they are approaching a lot of families who monetarily
So,
aren't
see,
doing very well.
It's like
If
मेरे
they are
दिमाग
getting
में
incentives of huge amounts of cash, they will do it.
Right.
As
मेरे
simple as
दिमाग
that.
में
वही-
thought आया एक train of
Mhm.
thoughts. Tell me if I'm right with it or if I'm straight with it. कि
हम्म,
पहले जो था जब पहले ऐसे shows आए थे ना, Dance India, Little
हम्म।
Champs and stuff like that, उस टाइम पे वो
हम्म।
बच्चे आ रहे थे क्योंकि उस टाइम पे एज लिमिट भी 13 के ऊपर होती थी, 14 के ऊपर होती थी,
वही
जो एक्चुअली
वही।
टैलेंटेड बच्चे थे या जो एक्चुअली उस टाइम पे डांस कर रहे थे, दे केम इन एंड द शो वाज मेड। ठीक है,
फैजल
फैजल वगैरह थे, हाँ
था
उस टाइम पे फैजल था और बहुत सारे लोग और थे।
फर्स्ट वाला कौन बंगाली था जो
फैजल
जीता था
फैजल जीता था और मुझे पता नहीं फर्स्ट वाला कौन जीता था, याद नहीं मुझे। जय
तो-
जीता था शायद, जय जय जय
शुभजीत कुछ ऐसे, अरे
हाँ
वो
शुभजीत,
बंगाली था
हाँ हाँ
साला।
याद है मुझे, हाँ मैं डीआईडी देखता था उस
हाँ
वक्त बहुत ज्यादा। तो
अरे
Oh,
बस
okay.
यार।
I never saw that stuff as a kid
पहले
also.
फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड सीजन तक तो देयर वर एक्चुअल
Mhm.
इट वाज
टैलेंटेड
कूल।
किड्स हु वर प्रैक्टिसिंग
यस।
एवरीथिंग, और वो आए और उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया, वो सीजन बन गया, ठीक है। उसके बाद क्या हुआ, वाइसा वर्सा इफेक्ट क्या पड़ा, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स को लगने लगा कि डांस करते हुए बच्चों की वजह से दे कैन लाइक, और एक समझ रहे तू कि क्या फायदा हो सकता है उनको भी, या क्या
हाँ
फायदा हो सकता है करियर वाइज। तो छोटे बच्चों पर भी फिर वो शोज में जाने का, फिर वो फैक्ट्री वहां खुल गई, समझ रहा है, पेरेंट्स के साथ में।
ब्रो मैं तेरे को बता रहा हूँ, हाफ ऑफ दीज किड्स डोंट गेट टू कंप्लीट देयर एजुकेशन, ठीक है।
हम्म
एक एक कोई सिंगिंग शो में आई थी लड़की, माता के जगराते गा रही है वो, 13 साल की
हाँ
बच्ची,
हाँ
Hmm.
ठीक है। अब नेहा कक्कड़ की स्टोरी सुन के भाई सब कर देते हैं शुरू ये सब, ठीक है। करा बाप के, उसने भी फोर्स ही था जो भी
हाँ।
आखिरी में, काम वो भी अच्छे नहीं कर रही कोई जिंदगी में बहुत बड़े,
चुप रहे तू,
ठीक है।
चुप रहे। हाँ।
बट स्टिल ब्रो आई डोंट लाइक इट मैन, आई कैंट वॉच इट। एंड इट्स द जो मैंने देखा 3 साल का बच्चा, इट्स
हाँ,
लाइक
3 साल
एट
मतलब
व्हाट
5 साल
पॉइंट
के
डू वी
बच्चे आ गए,
स्टॉप।
हाँ।
Exactly.
And the storylines they use, that is also a big problem for me कि
Oh
भाई
yeah,
3 साल के
the main way is that they senti, they lost someone in their
वही
family. They are doing this because of some reason. मैं जीवन में ये नहीं कर पाया, ये नहीं कर पाया. My dad died. Some crap like that is always there. 99% of the time is completely faked.
वही
It's
भाई
very
वही तो मैं
obvious.
कह रहा हूँ। 3 साल के बच्चे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता ना कि माँ बाप के सपने क्या हैं, उसको पता भी नहीं
Like
माँ
I'm
बाप
sorry, no
सपना क्या
offense
होता
to anyone who actually has gone through something like that, but like that's literally what happens in the show business.
या
है। वही। बट टॉकिंग अबाउट शो बिजनेस एंड शोज, मिर्जापुर देखा तुम लोगों ने?
No,
मैंने तो देख लिया।
neither seen season 1, neither seen season 2. Never got on the hype train for it.
No,
Maybe it's because I don't watch a lot of Indian shows, and by not a lot, I mean I haven't watched a single one. But
Why though? Like, do you watch shows in general first off? Because I don't watch films, so I can't say for
yes,
film.
and okay, wait, it's a weird answer. So
Hmm.
let's go back a little. Bachpan se used to watch a lot of cartoons as a kid, but even cartoons I would somehow prefer in English over Hindi. I don't know why. Maybe I was just in a household. No, my household spoke a lot of Hindi. People around me spoke Hindi, but I just
You're
used to
Punjabi
prefer to
folk,
converse. I used to prefer to no one really in my house speaks Punjabi. We aren't like 6. We're just Punjabi.
No.
Hmm.
Punjabi. When I say Punjabi, I don't mean Punjabi.
Mm-hmm.
I mean पंजाबियों की जो like जो बोलने का तरीका होता है ना,
Mm-hmm.
वही अलग होता है। Like वो हिंदी भी अपने तरीके में बोलते हैं।
Exactly. No, but no, that wasn't how stuff was in my house because
Acha.
no one was like born and brought up in Punjab in my house,
Makes
so
sense.
it wasn't like that. But I just preferred watching show like even cartoons in English, whichever ones I could watch. A lot weren't even available in English, but जो भी देख पाता था वो देख लेता था English में. And essentially I think around first grade just stopped watching cartoons altogether. Like end of senior KG, start of first grade, I just stopped watching cartoons altogether. And I used to be a big fan of English movies. So
Same.
I just used to watch English movies from first grade onwards. Then I got not introduced, I knew about them, but I started watching English shows, I think maybe around 9th grade.
अच्छा।
So it's like I don't experiment with too many shows. I rather watch the same shows over and over again. I don't get bored of them.
Same. I do the same thing. I have watched Silicon Valley 5 times.
Yeah, no, I'm more into like not random ass shows, but like the shows which aren't very serious. I don't watch shows which are like very
Same.
serious or have like a crazy story. Bro, I started Money Heist first episode also I could not complete. As simple as that.
I haven't seen Money Heist. Fuck Money
Yeah.
Heist.
मेरा एकदम ऑपोजिट सीन है तुम दोनों से।
Huh, you are the very stereotypical child. You have nothing special about you.
No,
one
shut
will
the
notice you in
fuck up
life.
बोल रहे। Okay, ना like मेरे
Take
को
second. He's a
हाँ
professor already. You don't have to put him down more, man. Hello.
okay, listen to me, he beatboxes as well, okay, so
अरे
you
तो बट वो
cannot-
pursue नहीं कर रहा। He still has a bright future ahead
I
of him.
didn't drop a year of my life, man. That's the difference.
करना।
I got into the top 16, alright, shut the fuck up.
No, you
I
don't.
didn't even try for it.
I mean, you've got a point.
You will never know.
I mean, you've got a point.
You got a point.
But yes.
Damn, he beat me at top game. हाँ बोल।
या तो नहीं, मेरा एकदम ऑपोजिट सीन है ये शोज देखने। मतलब मैंने अभी तो इतना एक्सपेरिमेंट करना शुरू कर दिया है, क्योंकि बीच में 2018-19 तक भी मैं बहुत कम शोज देखता था, सिर्फ वही देखता था कोई मेरे को बोल देता था कि भाई जैसे मिर्जापुर सीजन उनका आया था 2018 राइट, मैंने तब इसलिए देखा क्योंकि मेरे को दोस्त सब कह रहे थे देख ले, मैंने कहा देख लेते हैं, क्योंकि मैं वेब शोज बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखता था। 19 में भी मैंने बिल्कुल वेब शोज नहीं देखे। 20 में आके मैं ना बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा हूँ। आई एम वाचिंग सम फकिंग कोरियन मूवीज।
It's
Yeah,
lockdown.
lockdown. Yeah, yeah. नहीं, even before lockdown, like 2020 January से, like when the lockdown was not that even serious.
Right.
I have started watching a lot of online like web series. I've started watching Korean movies. I've started watching some cinema that's not specifically from Bollywood and Hollywood, and it's just some
Right.
crazy stuff. Crazy. I've started watching anime as well. So
Oh
that's
yeah, I got onto anime for a bit in like 9th grade. I don't know. It could be something. It's I don't know. It's just a weird. It's like pata nahi yaar, I don't know how to explain it or put it in words.
She's a smart man. He leaves everything that isn't working out really soon, like beatboxing,
Exactly.
like anime, and
motherfucker, I'm gonna start attacking your personal fucking chambers as well.
कर लो
Just
आपने आप
Okay,
यार मैं ना
let's just
पॉडकास्ट
leave
में
it.
बहुत
Let's just
गरिमा
leave
रखता हूँ।
it.
मैं ना एक सेकंड
Guys.
स्टेज में मैं पॉडकास्ट में बहुत गरिमा रखता हूँ आपके साथ, क्योंकि आप मेरे
गरिमा,
को-होस्ट हो। मैं आपसे
हाँ।
हाँ आप
हाँ
आपसे अंदर ही अंदर मतलब बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है आपकी, इसलिए मैं गरिमा रखता हूँ, नहीं तो फिर मैं पर्सनल चेम्बर्स आप
हमारे
समझ
लिए
नहीं रहे हो।
मेरे दिल में आपके लिए
Guys,
प्रेम है।
don't get it violent in front of a very, very special guest over here.
और
अरे
हाँ
हाँ,
सॉरी
please.
यस स्पेशल गेस्ट
अपने
होगा।
घर
अरे
की
लड़ो
बात-
मत यार, लफड़ा क्यों कर रहे हो?
अपने घर की बातें दूसरों के सामने क्यों करें?
हाँ कोई बात नहीं। हाँ
Let's just end it with a statement. Different people have different priorities,
No, but
and parichas are irrelevant. But,
I mean shut the fuck.
no, but let's
Yeah.
move on now.
अरे I watch comedic stuff only. Like first of all, you know, I'm into comedy more. I'm
Yeah,
trying
yeah.
to get into the line of comedy also, right? So I have to watch comedian के specials and stuff.
Mhm.
अभी तेरे को बताया ही मेरे को bit कैसे मिलती है।
नहीं बिट गई भाड़ में, एक तो पता है ना तेरे कॉमेडी। Just remember
कौन
what
सी?
beatboxing is for me is what comedy is for you.
हाँ तू बोल यार
तू
मैं तो
बोल,
कहता
तू
हूँ मजाक
कॉमेडी
बना।
कर दूंगा मैं। तू रुक जा। हाँ तू क्या कह रहा था? हाँ कॉमेडी क्या?
I'm saying I usually watch comedic shows only क्योंकि
Mhm.
shows भी नहीं। I watch usually comedy specials, man. Like stand-up comedians के मैं specials देखता रहता हूँ।
Oh, okay.
And I repeat them.
Mhm.
I think I have four shows that I've seen completely. Silicon Valley. I think Game of Thrones देखा है मैंने.
Mhm.
नहीं देखा
and
मैंने
I
Game of
watched
Thrones।
Same.
I watched How I Met Your Mother and Friends. Like these are the and Breaking Bad also.
Mhm.
I don't watch a lot of shows. I don't get time to watch a lot of shows. Not
टाइम मेरे पास भर के है, बस I'm not willing to put down that time and effort towards
Maybe
something as
टाइम के
serious as
चक्कर
a.
में ना मैं ना प्रखर और श्वेताब का पॉडकास्ट बहुत देख रहा हूँ आजकल, है ना। तो उनके किसी लेटेस्ट पॉडकास्ट में श्वेताब ने बोला कि there's this movie called Old Boy and it's a very fucked up movie. I would never recommend it to anyone. Like don't watch it. वो प्रखर को कह रहा है don't watch it. अगर मेरे से प्यार करता तो मस्त देखना। like यार ऐसी क्या मूवी है? So I literally downloaded that shit while I was watching that podcast. I watched it right after the podcast and now I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. It's just
You know, you've done the exact same thing to both
exactly.
of us. Both
Now
of us are so
I
curious.
want this to happen. I want someone to listen to me and then watch that movie and get scarred for life.
Old Boy.
Old Boy, yeah.
It's a Korean
By-
movie. It's a very old movie. It's like 2003.
Mhm.
And it's just fucked. It's
Bro, I was this close to watching Cuties just because of the fucking.
don't. Why?
I was this close.
Shrey, do you know about
because-
Cuties?
Nope.
So Cuties was this
Okay.
Netflix show. हाँ तू बता
Mhm.
I बताऊँ.
हाँ
So basically, it was a thirst trap for pedophiles. ठीक है.
Mhm.
Let's start with that.
Oh,
It was
right. I think I saw something on Instagram about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was see, I haven't seen the movie, so I won't say shit about the movie.
Mhm.
What they wanted to say or what the director wanted to say. ठीक है.
Mhm.
But how Netflix tried to market it.
market it is the
Right.
worst shit. Yeah,
Right.
Yeah.
like
Because they
small
were
girls are
using-
talking and shit. Some shit.
Yeah,
like that,
that's
right?
what I saw on Instagram as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
because I am never the guy like contrarian in me is always like देखते हैं इसमें दिक्कत क्या है. Like I want to find out for myself कि दिक्कत क्या है.
Hmm.
I just didn't get the time. और फिर 1 महीना हो गया उस फिल्म को आए हुए and वो मेरे फोल्डर पे पड़ी हुई थी and I was like कोई फायदा नहीं है इसको देखने का. It's irrelevant now.
अब तो हटा दी ना. अब तो हटा दी.
Yeah. Pedophilia is irrelevant now, guys. Fuck that shit.
Pedophilia is irrelevant.
Pedophilia.
The police is like, nah, bro. Pedophilia is irrelevant. Next.
I think pedophilia is irrelevant because people just started to label everything as pedophilia, so people killed it. So now I think it's not the cool thing to do anymore. If any pedophile is
No, that might
It's-
work. What if
Yes,
तुमने एकदम ऐसा बोल दिया, bro, pedophilia is not cool anymore.
Pedophilia
So,
rates drop to 0%.
yeah, it just drops to zero. Just buy a home. If you're homeless, just buy a home. Zero.
I think if any pedophile is watching by any chance, all of us are first of all keep your hands out of us. कि हम सारे 18 के ऊपर है first of all.
हम 18 के ऊपर
Okay.
हैं. हाँ.
हम 18 के ऊपर हैं. So we are like out of your territory, and
We
I
are
don't think
not.
I'll do
We have teeth, and we are not in the mood of any hard sensation near our
Wait.
mouth. We're just
Wait.
not into it. We just do not want
I am
that.
so proud that you did that call back right now. ठीक है परिचय.
अरे मैं बहुत
Not even-
smart हूँ यार, तुझे पता नहीं है. You don't
And
consider
I
it.
think pedophilia is out of fashion, bro. Pedophilia is
Out
so
of fashion?
2019.
You're calling it fashion.
It's so 2019. Like we need something else in 2020, man.
Oh.
What
We need
else do you
something
need in
different.
2020?
Dude, there was this one thing. So there,
2020
रुक. So there was this one thing, trans age.
अरे हाँ, I
No.
actually read about it. Fuck that shit, bro.
We are
Trans
getting into some
age is
murky waters.
If
First of all, एक second. Shred, do you really want to associate with us right now what we are talking about? Are you
Oh,
comfortable?
no. As soon as this is over, this server is getting deleted.
unfriended, blocked. अरे श्रेय का मैसेज
No trace left behind.
श्रेय की Instagram ID नहीं दिख रही. Nah, but like
अरे नहीं. हाँ,
trans
बोल.
age is like the whole concept of trans age is I can be a particular age, but inside if I feel like being somebody of some different age, I can choose to be that. For example, if I'm a grown 28-year-old man and I feel like a 14-year-old female inside me, I can choose to be a 14-year-old female.
Oh, you can choose your gender as well.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's
that's why
like
it's
a-
called trans
it's
age.
like
Okay.
a drop-down menu nowadays, man. It's like,
It's a drop down menu. So that's the
Bro.
so
if you feel like a 14-year-old girl
Mhm.
and you want to feel a 14-year-old girl, so trans age is what you do.
I mean, maybe psychologically, some people just feel that way.
no, but to make it into a choice
See, to
is
make
not
it
the
into
thing.
an
A
okay,
choice.
wait, to make it into a choice is completely, I don't think is right.
Yeah.
But I think to even put a specific age on it seems a little too pinpointed.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
if that's the right word, but it's like you're saying I am a 14-year-old girl. When do you realize you're a 15-year-old girl?
Wait.
No, like
No,
14-year-old.
See, I don't know anything about the subject. I just heard about this for the first
Like
time
even
right now.
even if
You
even
realize
if a
that in
20
jail.
yeah, क्या कह रहा है?
You realize you've grown 15 in jail, first of all.
Oh shit, it's about time I'm 15, man.
15 साल की सजा हो गई है.
You know, I can actually see people getting into pedophilia because, bro, I'm 14 inside. तू जानता
Exactly
नहीं है.
what I'm
अंदर
talking
से मैं
about.
14
Like
साल
even
का
if
हूँ.
you're not being specific about it, if like a grown ass man thinks he's a small girl in his head, वो trans age through a choice, not through a disease or not through like any conditions that she is going through, वो सोचता है तो फिर for him to make those type of relationships with small boys or like small kids in general is just
Kids in general.
yeah, it's just
They them
goes fucked up. Yeah.
Yeah.
they them
I don't
there
know.
बोलो भाई.
It's too specific for me
boys
to
कैसे
talk
बोल
about
रहे
anything.
Time
Boys कैसे बोल रहा तू?
खाली लड़के होते हैं क्या बच्चे हैं?
काले लड़के होते हैं क्या सेक्सुअल हरास होने के लिए कैसे बात
भाई,
कर रहा
तू
है?
चुप रहे, ठीक है?
Unlike
Why you-
me-
You're
unlike
getting
me,
on such controversial topics.
no, that's the problem. मैंने
Right
बोला था
there.
ना, you don't have to be aware of anything. मुझे याद.
Yeah.
But नहीं bro, I asked because मिर्जापुर के बारे में, because मिर्जापुर was getting a lot of criticism for the pacing. ठीक है?
Hmm.
And that was my problem. Like its pacing is actually pretty perfect.
It
if
is,
you
it
look.
is, it is. And personally, I really liked season 2 as well. Now the thing is, क्या होता है ना, season 1 में generally almost सब TV shows के या जो भी web series होती है, usually what happens in season like first seasons is कि वो लोग क्योंकि characters introduce करने होते हैं, plot बनाना होता है, लोगों को रखना होता है, like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, engagement रखनी
have
होती है ना, engagement, continuous.
Audience को वो रखना होता है यार।
तो उनको कुछ ऐसे they have to make it like really badass in terms of मिर्जापुर, इसलिए
Exactly.
वो
You just have to
इतने
keep them gripped, no?
gripped,
Otherwise,
yes,
after the
the
first episode,
storyline,
it'll
the
be like
plot,
me with Money Heist.
the yeah, exactly, the cliffhangers and everything. तो first season में because it's just the introduction, everything is so new, इसलिए आपको वो plot twist और वो सब इतने भारी होते भी हैं और लगते भी हैं। But season 2 में पहली बात, क्योंकि सब कैरेक्टर्स एस्टैब्लिश हो गए हैं, प्लॉट भी एस्टैब्लिश हो गया है, आपको पता है कि क्या होने वाला है, मतलब यू नो कि इवेंचुअली क्या होएगा, तो द मेन एस्पेक्ट नाउ इज द स्टोरी एंड हाउ द राइटिंग प्रोसीड्स टू व्हाटएवर द एंड रिजल्ट इज द एंड गेम। तो
Right.
मिर्जापुर 2 की स्टोरी एंड द पेसिंग इज परफेक्ट। मे बी द जो फर्स्ट सीजन में जो गालियां थी या जो कुछ ऐसे कुछ क्या बोलते हैं, गालियां भी नहीं, कुछ ऐसे प्लॉट पॉइंट्स होते हैं जो कि बहुत कूल होते हैं, बैडएस होते हैं या फिर एकदम मिर्जापुरिश होते हैं, वो नहीं थे, बट द स्टोरी वाज प्रीटी नाइस फॉर सीजन 2।
The last thing that I really like, जो मैंने सोचा था इस बार बात करेंगे, like I was wondering, जब हम छोटे होते हैं, right?
हाँ,
So a lot of our relatives come to our house and they are like, ये लो
facts,
100 रुपए,
हाँ।
ये लो 500 रुपए. Where are they now when I need it?
Shut the fuck.
It's so random.
Why would you say that? क्या ना, मिर्जापुर से याद आया, चाचा अब कहाँ हो, आपकी
No.
जरूरत है मुझे, मेरे 500 रुपए।
No, bro, it's not random. It was actually, I was thinking, like, जब मेरे पास, जब I had no other option but to buy a fucking 10 रुपए की डेयरी मिल्क, these guys were like, ये लो दिवाली पे 1000 रुपए,
1000
जाओ,
रुपए, हाँ
ऐश करो।
जाओ,
मैं क्या
सोन
करूंगा
पापड़ी
ऐश
खरीदो।
करो? मैं क्या करूंगा 1000 रुपए का? But now when I really need some cash, they are like, who you? I sleep.
I sleep, okay. नहीं,
No,
उससे याद
but
आया मुझे मिर्जापुर से, तुम दोनों ने द बॉयज देख लिया क्या, दोनों सीजन्स?
No.
You've not seen the boys?
No. Heard a lot of good stuff about
I
it.
suggest, like, it's a really good show.
What's it about?
It's about DC, you know DC, like you watched a bit of
Oh,
DC.
right.
right? It's DC, but what if it was a real life where
Yeah,
superheroes?
you told me about this.
Yeah, superheroes
It's
in a fucking corporation. Yeah,
It's peak anti-hero.
yeah, and it's
Peak
pretty nice.
anti-hero, and it's like kind of dark, kind of edgy. And
But it's real ना. You fuck
Yeah,
with
it's
like,
all
मैं तो इस
show.
बारे में सोच
All
रहा था,
around.
मैं तो इस बारे में सोच रहा था कि what if अपन सुपर हीरोज को सुपर हीरोज की तरह लेते नहीं, रियल लाइफ में you think about any celebrity, an athlete, like a big whatever part
Like
of
Shrek.
anything, yeah. So you fuck with them and their ecosystem, they're gonna fuck you back.
I mean,
Same goes
they
for
are
the
doing that.
superheroes.
Yeah.
You basically na. If just think about it, if there is a, like, if I am talking about an athlete, I don't want to talk about somebody specific, but what if you fuck with somebody's ecosystem that's up there because उनकी किसी चीज की वजह से आपको कोई नुकसान हुआ था? Why you smiling?
I'm just trying to contain myself from saying something bad.
What?
That would get you in trouble because I'm and that's why I'm smiling. मैं अपने दिमाग में वो जोक मारता हूँ.
तो खुद ही हंस रहा है, तो खुद ही हंस रहा है.
मैं वो
बोल दे यार, बोल
मैं
दे.
वो offensive अब वो खत्म, अब वो जोक मुझे ध्यान भी नहीं है. But
अच्छा.
that's the thing कि वो मैं जोक अपने दिमाग में मार लेता हूँ ताकि मेरे को वो बाहर ना मारना पड़े. See,
Okay,
I have
चलो
to do
ठीक है.
that. मैं कंटेन तो कर नहीं सकता वो जोक को, अब आया दिमाग में तो आया है. बोल भाई, तू बोल आगे.
नहीं बस मैं इतना ही कह रहा था, और मैं वेट कर.
But it is actually true भाई कि the whole plot point is not what if you fuck with them. It's basically when you give someone so much power in a real life setting, what they would do with it.
हाँ,
Not everyone is a fucking, क्या कहते हैं भाई, हरीश चंद्र नहीं होते ना सब.
हाँ.
That's the basic plot of that.
Exactly.
And it's also somewhat it's a
Basically just about abusing their power.
yeah, it's a bite or it's a spoof of like DC heroes.
तुम बेसिकली
And
जितना
like-
सोचते हो कि वो कितने तुम्हारे पास या तुमसे कनेक्टेड है, वो उतना बहुत दूर है once you go like to grab them. Yeah.
I don't
Yes,
blame
yes.
people for that. A lot of people will get attached to you if they spend a lot of time watching you, whether or like get attached to that personality. So a lot of people after watching a show, whatever it will be very attached to that one character ka personality and maybe how they look, maybe whatever. But then they'll expect that in real life as well, and they forget that it's a complete character. It's been building up since 12 seasons, hours and hours you've been watching that same thing. You get used to the ideology of that being a real person,
Yeah.
and then when you meet them and it's completely different, you'll be
You
like,
know what? Ali
think-
Fazal was actually talking about this in one of his interviews. तो अली फजल ने
हम्म।
बोला कि मुझे ना यूपी से जो टीनेजर्स हैं और जो लोग मिर्ज़ापुर देख रहे हैं वो वीडियोस बना बना के जीप में बैठे बैठे कि गुड्डू भैया हम गुड्डू भैया और मेरे को भेज रहे हैं एंड आई एम वाचिंग दोस क्लिप्स एंड आई एम लाइक फक ये क्या कर दिया मैंने
क्या कर
लाइक
दिया?
ये क्या हो रहा है
अरे तो कट्टे चल रहे हैं असली में।
यार ये तो
प्रोटोकॉल
हाँ भाई
प्रोटोकॉल भूल रहे हैं।
हाँ
अरे नहीं, बट आई थिंक व्हाट पीपल यूजुअली डू ना श्रेय, they cross the line between admiration and lunacy.
yeah,
ठीक है?
एडमिरेशन
it's the whole Sallubai culture in India,
Lunacy.
as simple as that.
No. Lunacy.
ओके लूनेसी या
ठीक है? Because the thing is, किसने बोली थी ये बात? I think it was H3. He was like, I would never give someone so much power in my life that I don't even know कि मैं उसके तरह से शेप करूं कि what my next step is going to be. समझ रहा है?
ओके
Like let's say I'm a Kobe stan, right? But I wouldn't let अगर भाई कोबी ने ऐसा करा था तो मैं भी ऐसा ही करता हूँ.
हाँ समझ
Because
गया
that
मतलब तुम
the
अपनी जिंदगी में क्या करने वाले हो उसके लिए तुम्हें सामने वाले का ओपिनियन वो करना पड़ेगा कि ये होता तो क्या करता या फिर मैं इसके लिए क्या करूं मतलब सम शिट लाइक दैट या
Yeah, exactly.
people do that. People are like
Yeah.
सलमान भाई ने ये करा था हम भी ये करते हैं.
Hmm.
सलमान भाई ने चैरिटी करी तो हम भी करते हैं. भाई क्या हो गया?
अच्छी
Hmm.
वो तो फिर है ही
तू हंस क्यों रहा है?
हाँ
हंसता रहता है यार हर बात पे. एक तो गलौटी कबाब पे तू हंस रहा था, चैरिटी पे तू हंस रहा था. तेरे में
मैं
तेरे
कुछ
में
बोल
कोई
नहीं
खोट है
रहा
मुझे लगा.
मैं कुछ बोल
तेरे में
नहीं
कोई
रहा
खोट है मुझे
मेरे
लगा.
में कोई खोट नहीं है चुप रह तू
अरे
You'll
नहीं
get
मेरे
in
में है भाई.
trouble. नहीं आप में खोट नहीं है
अरे
भाई
तू-
आप यार आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो यार
अरे भाई मेरे में है ना ये बाल साले मेरे.
तू कटवा लियो नाइस यार
ब्रो मैं मुंडी कटवा अपनी. बट या व्हाट हाउ मच टाइम हैज इट बीन मैन? कितना टाइम हो गया?
मैं बताता हूँ we've
It's
been
been
recording for
20
1 hour
minutes.
19 minutes
Out of which I think 15 minutes
So-
was bullshit.
yeah 15-20 minutes तो इधर उधर बाकी we've been
Hmm.
हाँ, मैं भी परिचय वाला पार्ट काटने की
हाँ
बात
मेरा
कर
वाला
रहा था.
पार्ट
हम्म,
पूरा
हम्म,
हाँ
अच्छा.
मेरी स्टोरीज वाला वो सब
Hmm.
नोट कर लेते हैं
Hmm. All the irrelevant crap, just remove that.
हाँ
Yeah.
और नहीं
हाँ,
there's
बोल.
this one last thing that I wanted to ask Shrey कि भाई you watch like तुम बहुत कम shows देखता तो what is that one show that you really like that one show that
हाँ.
you always go back to
The Office.
The Office oh okay
I've been meaning to
It's the
get into
perfect show in my mind. As simple as that.
I've been meaning to
It's
get
the
into
only show that I would recommend anyone to watch, where you will go through the first season and you'll be like, should I watch this? It's not bad, but it's neither is it good. But that first season was basically a part where a lot of people don't know is that they were contractually obliged. People don't know this, that Office was originally a UK based show.
oh okay
It's
And-
written by Ricky Gervais.
Yeah,
He's a
and then an American company bought the rights to it, but legally they were obliged that पहला season वो लोग exact copy करे what the UK thing did, and then they begin their own story from there.
Hmm.
That first season is where the show is finding itself,
Hmm.
and from the second season onwards, it is the perfect show.
I think जो
In my
UK
mind.
वाला है, जो UK
There is
वाला
no
है,
suspense for anyone who is interested in suspense, murder mystery.
no,
You know,
fuck
your
that.
serious shows. The show is not for you.
yeah Office is
For
not supposed to
anyone-
be taken seriously ला उसका वो पूरा
Exactly.
premise
For
ही है
anyone who wants to sit down and genuinely laugh their ass off, you can't not find Office funny. It
Yeah.
set a benchmark for sitcoms that nothing has been able to meet for me. For me, maybe the closest thing, not the closest thing, for me, maybe the other sitcom that I watch a bit is Big Bang Theory. But that also gets a little repetitive after a while.
It's like how many times Raj can lose the girl.
Exactly.
But the thing is, मेरा जो शो जो personally I watched a lot is मैं जैसे बोला Silicon Valley. Like Silicon Valley, as the name suggests, like sounds a bit serious,
Mhm.
but I'll tell you one bit from the show. ठीक है, I think it was season 2. So 4 coders in a single room are trying to figure out if there are 800 people in an auditorium. In 10 minutes, how many people do they need to simultaneously jerk off so they can get through 800 people in 10 minutes?
huh what
I know that sounds confusing, but the maths proves it. I mean,
Hmm.
it is
Bro, the
very
word
fucking-
on the street is you should shut the fuck up. What the heck is that?
bro. वो बंदे
I
literally they
think
are
that's an instance that only if you have watched the show you will understand.
Yeah, I think so.
But to
as well,
someone
yeah.
random when you're speaking like that,
Bro, वो सोचेगा तू पागल है. वो कह रहा है तू क्या देख रहा
maybe
है
not the
Netflix
best
पे?
example to give there
तू
about your show,
Netflix पे
buddy.
क्या देख रहा है?
but that is literally the best part about that show though, because I
What is
learned
the
that
show
day
about?
You know
how
that.
many men I can jerk off simultaneously in 10 minutes.
Wow.
ठीक है.
Okay.
So on that note, परिचय तुझसे भी पूछ लेता हूँ. रुक.
नहीं भाई,
तू
मैं
बता
तो
भाई, तू
सिर्फ एक पिक्चर है जो मैंने लेजिट बहुत ज्यादा बार देख लिया है. मतलब बॉलीवुड हटा के, बॉलीवुड तो बहुत ज्यादा ही देख लिया मैंने. बट जो एक पिक्चर जो मैंने बहुत, वो है भाई स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ कॉम्पटन. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज इट
अरे.
अबाउट दैट मूवी.
Which movie?
स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ
straight out of
कॉम्पटन.
Compton.
It's a movie
I
about
haven't watched
NWA. Do you know what NWA is?
No clue.
NWA
It's
was
a rap.
NWA
You
was
know
a
Ice
rap crew back in the 90s.
Hmm.
What?
Ice Cube पता होगा श्रेय को. You know Ice
Ice
Cube, the
Cube.
guy who's in 22 Jump Street में जो captain है. If you've seen 22 Jump Street.
Nope.
Okay,
So,
so Dr.
परिचय
Dre, Ice Cube,
Ah, okay.
MC Ren.
Hmm,
मेरे को
hmm,
याद करने दो, रुक. MC Ren, Easy E
मैं
and Yella.
DJ Ella.
DJ Yella.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, मैंने वो पिक्चर इतनी, मेरे को इतना भी पता है कि वो पिक्चर बहुत फैब्रिकेटेड है. Because
बहुत.
हाँ वही कि
काफी.
वो सब कांड नहीं दिखा सकते सबने जो किए हैं. ड्रे को भी
हाँ,
बहुत
हम्म,
साफ
हम्म,
रखा उस पिक्चर में, बहुत ज्यादा. ठीक
hmm,
है.
hmm, hmm.
तो वो सब चीजें मुझे समझ आती है. But that movie is just, I just love that movie, bro.
That's great.
Like old school hip hop के लिए the thing that ignited like the love for old school hip hop was that movie. Like जो मैंने, क्योंकि I was used to listening
This
to
is a
like
2014 movie, right?
I
Hmm.
think,
Yeah.
I was a lot of East Coast shit, but the West
Mhm,
Coast like the Funkadelics and stuff.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
I started listening to after that.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, I'm a hip hop head. Sorry. So on that note, भाई मैं इतने अच्छे भले नोट पे कर रहा था एंड यार तू
अरे तो ठीक है ना तो. हाँ.
क्या यार तू. But on that awkward note, let's end this. This has been it for this installment of the Brownie Version podcast. A big thank you to Shrey for joining us and
The very,
sitting
very
through
special guest.
the very, very special guest and sitting through this disaster that we always do.
No, I didn't even realize, honestly. It was pretty chill.
अरे
Bruh.
क्या जाता हमारा टाइम
So
बस हमारे को भी
अपन
नहीं पता.
guest से पूछते हैं. So what did you think of the podcast? What did you think of your time spent?
हाँ.
Surprisingly flowed very naturally, even though I met Aniket today for the first time. It was good. Whatever we were thinking of, we just brought it up. We had random conversations derived from it. It was pretty interesting. I
That's
liked
the Brownie Version podcast.
it. Mhm.
Huh.
Brown, yeah, he summed it up pretty well, man. He's a very, very special.
Would you like to
Guest
be a
for
co-host? पूछ ले. तुमसे सबसे पूछ ले.
I will humbly accept. God, fine.
Yeah.
With all the demand out there, okay.
Dude, crack की position is so sought after you don't even know. ठीक है. Like motherfuckers are ready to kill crack for it.
नहीं.
But
bro,
yeah.
Okay.
I am actually.
Bro. So
But yeah, on that, and a special thanks to Shrey again. If you want to find the social media links to Shrey, should we add it in the description? You want to
Yeah,
keep
sure.
it private or not? I don't know,
Sure,
man.
man.
Because these people don't deserve the greatness that you are, to be honest.
bro, very
ठीक
very
है?
Oh. Rala dega. Okay.
Dude, I can't even make a like joke because he's 17. ठीक है? Or I would have made some jokes right now. But yeah. So, and the links to social media to crack would also be down in the description, man. Check out Parichay. Parichay is the talented one in the podcast, unlike me. And you can, yeah.
ये
And you
हंस
can
कौन रहा
find
है?
my-
मेरे को हंसने की आवाज क्यों? Okay. हाँ, sorry.
It wasn't me for the first time.
I know.
ठीक है?
क्योंकि तू बोल रहा था it's not possible, like scientifically भी, practically भी it's not possible for you to say.
ठीक है?
हाँ.
So you can also find the links to my social media down in the description. All that bizarre is down in the description, man. Join the Discord. Fuck you
Word
guys.
on the street.
And the word on the street is that the Spotify gang is superior gang. Because Spotify listeners get every episode 1 week early, mind you. So yeah,
Ooh.
check it out. Check
The
it out. The
exclusiveness.
exclusiveness. You can listen to Shrey 1 week early on Spotify, man.
Come on, guys. I would take that deal. Any second.
I
of
would
the day.
take that deal in an instant.
From now on. Mhm.
So yeah, that has been it. Adios.
Bye bye.
Thank you for having me.
night.
Goodbye.